All right, just wrapped up picking up my car. Wrapped up, that was a pun. Rap pun. Car just got finished being PPF'd, and the guys here at AP3 here in Atlanta, they did a bang up job. I'll try to point out here right here, my finger is where the line is for the wrap. They did the headlights. They wrapped. Come on, get out, get out, get out. There we go. They wrapped the front splitter. This whole thing is all wrapped. They got under here, which is kind of a hard angle to get to. They even wrapped the kidney grills. So this is all finished, which is good. And then I had them apply ceramic coating to all the gloss surfaces, so like the base of the mirror. And then the A-pillar is all done. And they even were able to wrap underneath, not underneath, but they got to the leading edge of the carbon fiber roof and did a really good job on that. Mirror housing is all done. There's one little space there, but overall, look, this whole thing's wrapped too. Damn. The door, kind of getting to the edge there. And they wrapped around the M2 badge. And the wheel arch gets fully wrapped underneath a good amount. And this is wrapped up to here. I'll call them on that. Around the door handle. And then I even had one of the forum members has a product that gets put on the door to help it from the weather stripping from wearing it away. This should have gotten wrapped. I'll come back to the guys. I even had them ask them to put a replace the factory. You can barely see it. There we go. The factory 3/4 wrapping on the back here, so that if this does get damaged, I don't have to take the whole thing off. We can just peel this piece off and replace it. Full trunk was done. They wrapped all the way the leading edge here, and then I asked them to put a little film back here because this rubs in the paint. It's a small thing, it's not really a big deal. I don't think it's going to wear the paint away, but you know, why not? Trunk is all done to there, and gas cap area looks phenomenal. My car now is wearing a condom.